dang, that is actually a really far distance. I just shot that all the way down there. You saw that light up. Man, oh man, do I wish that I had this when I was a kid. Right here, I have my new favorite laser tag setup, and I wish I had this when I was a kid. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm gonna be going over the Winyea laser tag. You can set this up so easily. As you can see, there's a cord here, so there's absolutely no pairing. All you gotta do is place that over your neck. It's a nice stretchy material and it's actually really comfortable on your neck. And then there is an adjustable waist strap. That just goes right around your waist. You can adjust that accordingly, but you don't have to pair anything because there is a wire attached to this. All right, so on this gun, you do get 4 different team modes. You can pick your team color. So on the top,
blue team, red team, green team, white team, blue team.
so you have 4 different teams. Just say I want to be blue. All I got to do is shoot that. You have 4 different settings of fire rounds. So you can use the laser, machine gun,
plasma gun, single shot,
and the single shot. So this actually has a reload on here. So you hit that and it reloads. Now, as you can see on the chest here, we have lives and it does signal that I'm on the blue team. It also shows on the top here. So you can sync up as many people as you want and have different teams. And it's just absolute blast to play this. And what's cool is whenever you shoot this, your shots go down. So if you do shoot this all the way, and you're out, it'll make that noise. But then you just reload it and you're back ready to go. So you're not completely out during the game, you can just reload it. But that makes it a lot more enjoyable in the game if you have to reload and stuff. It just makes it a lot more fun. So here's my lives. I'm gonna set up the other controller and I'll show you how this actually goes down too, which is pretty awesome. Whenever you shoot this gun, it actually makes a vibration in here. And this is gonna be powered by 3 AAA batteries that don't come in the kit, but all you gotta do is just use a small screwdriver, open that up. So you don't have to actually put these on a Type-C charger and wait for them to charge. If they run out of batteries, you can just replace them and keep your game going. Now, let's go ahead and get that other controller set up and show you how this works. All right, so I ended up getting the 2-pack. So this one actually has a reddish pink on the actual front. So it differentiates this. You can get the 2-pack or the 4-pack. Same thing, you just turn this on, shoot it, and I'm gonna pick my team. I'm gonna pick a different team color because I'm blue on that one.
red team,
So we're gonna be red team.
good luck.
And then now this is gonna signal red. So it's very easy to pick your teams very fast. All right, so we have this set up as a single shot. I'm gonna hit load, and then I'm actually gonna take the gun that I have here, the blue, just to demonstrate this. And as you shoot that, you can see this light up. So it flashes so you know your shot, and then this actually vibrates too. So whenever you get hit, you know that you did. You'll feel a tiny vibration in your chest. It's nothing uncomfortable, but it just gives you that simulation to know that you're playing. And as you can see here, my shots are going down, and you can reload at any time too. So you don't have to reload just when you're completely out. And that makes it a lot better when you're going into battle. But that is cool. I'm going to show you what happens whenever this goes down to 0. If you notice, it's also making a noise on the end of the receiver. So you're going to hear the reaction too when you are getting pinged on 1 life.
Low life value.
So that just signaled right now that you're low life. You have 3 lives left. So you better take some cover and use your team for some backup. But now I'm about to go all the way to 0. And then as you can see here, this just dropped down to 0 shots. You're gonna flash, you're gonna be out completely. What I like about this game is that you can't reload at this point, you're out. When you're out, you're out. There's nothing you can do, there's no buttons that you can press. This just says game over, and you basically just have to shut this completely off. So then you just hold that in, that goes off. The only way to get back in the game is to actually start a brand new game. And I also think that's really nice because it just supports honesty as well. and just makes the game a lot more fair. So everybody can just be transparent and just have a good time. This has a 150-foot range. All right, now as you can see, I have this set up all the way down at the other end of my house, up here on this mantle, and I have the gun right here. So I want to test the range and see if I can actually get that to light up. So we're gonna look right in the center to see if I can hit that. And you just saw that flash right now. Dang, that is actually a really far distance. I just shot that all the way down there. You saw that light up. It's actually really accurate, and you can't do it as easily as you think. You can't just shoot in the regular area. You actually have to aim to get that to set off, because if I just aim anywhere over there, you can see I'm shooting over there. It's not lighting up. You shoot over that way, it's not lighting up. But then if I actually lock in and try to hit it, there we go, we just hit it. So I actually had to aim, and I think that makes the game so much more fun. And this also does have a different type of shot. So if you hit the fire option here,
Laser gun.
you have the laser gun, and if you have 14 lives, that's taking it down by 2 now on the laser gun. So if you do want to set up in some particular way, maybe a couple people on your team have laser guns, you want to make the game go faster. The way that I see it, some people have single shots, and then you could have one specialty guy on your team or girl to actually use the specialty gun. So it's kind of like the juggernaut. The machine gun is gonna take this down by 2 as well. And then the plasma gun is going to take that down by 3. So if you get set up on the plasma gun, you're going to be able to take someone down by 3, but then you only get 1 shot. So there's a lot of variations to this game. Very easy and simple to use. You can almost not mess it up. But it's so cool that you can pick your team color and you can actually see it, so everybody knows which team you are. If you are running around in your basement, your house, outside, you can play this all over the place because it does have a simple wire connection, and you know that it's gonna last with the batteries. But this is super awesome because you can play this indoor, outdoor, and you have the lights, so you can simply know your team color very easily and quickly. Man, oh man, do I wish that I had this when I was a kid. This is amazing. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. This is gonna be tons of fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.